LuckyDrama is an app that claims to pay users for watching videos, completing tasks, and viewing ads. But can you actually earn money and withdraw it? Now, I downloaded this app to test it myself, and at first it seems very easy to earn money. But at the time on, if you want to withdraw, you have to select here at the top left corner here. So on the home page, select the amount, and then you can see here the minimum withdrawal amount is 300 euros. But this is actually misleading. So let me show you. The minimum amount is 300 euros, but even if you reach this amount, you can't actually receive your money. So to prove this, you can open the Play Store and then open the Play Store and search for the LuckyDrama app. Scroll down, select on the ratings and the reviews. Now on the rating, just choose a 1 star. Now these are the real reviews for this app. So if you read these reviews, most of the people complain that if you reach the minimum amount, you can't actually even receive the amount, or they also make it very hard to reach the minimum amount, which is 300 euros. So the app actually is fake, but the way you want to withdraw the money, so you'll have to. So after opening it, on the home here, just select the amount, and then you can see an option to withdraw. So there are withdraw tiers where you need the minimum amount of 300 euros, but a common complaint is that once users get close to the minimum withdrawal amount, the app significantly reduces the number of available tasks and the amount earned per task. As a result, reaching the withdrawal threshold becomes much more difficult, causing many users to give up before they can cash out. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.